Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how we can do a faceless affiliate marketing. Today I want to talk about some of the dangers using content AI. In the channel I have a lot of videos demonstrate how to use content AI like Jasper AI or RYTR, but I want to demonstrate today what to avoid and how to use it correctly. By the way, this image is an example how I use AI tool in order to create image. This is a train like a submarine that drive under the ocean. I will explain about this image later in the video. When we use AI content tools in order to write content for affiliate marketing, we are using templates like a video description for YouTube or TikTok video captions or even AIDA framework. But I think that one of the aspects that we need to consider is when we write in blog post. You can see that Google says lately that AI-generated content is against guidelines. And also Google said that content automatically generated with AI writing tools is considered as spam. It's true that it's hard to Google to detect AI-generated content, but it starts to succeed to detect an AI-generated content. And if we are using the blog post for SEO, we need to understand the risk and use the content AI tools the right way. I want to give you some examples. I will use one of the content AI tools and try to write articles like the best ways to travel from Belgium to Sydney. We can look at the article that the content AI tool wrote us. The article is talking about flying from Belgium to Sydney. I think this is the right way. We find a way to travel by cruise, but it also talks about taking a train, and that taking a train can be an option worth considering. This is the reason I add this image. This is an unreal train under the ocean. And also he writes about road trips, and that we can rent a car at Belgium in order to drive to Sydney. This is just one funny example. I will give you another example. I will take a place for the gaming niche. For example, Rennes Island. This is an island in a game. And then I will try to write article in the content AI tool. And now we have a long article. Rennes Island is a small island off the coast of New Hampshire located in the Gulf of Maine. Also we have historical fact of this island. I will look for attractions in that island. And now we have attractions and we see the animals at the island like foxes. I will look for hotel and now we have resort in this island. There is a Wi-Fi and also I can look for the best way to travel from Belgium to this island. We can see that we can fly to this island. There is also a ferry and more options. And again, this is the island. The last example that I want to show you, I took famous park in Mexico and tried to write article about all the attractions. I will add a command, write about activities at the park. You see that it finds 20 interactive activities. If we read the whole article, we can see that the content AI tool add attractions and activities that we don't have in the park. I think now you understand why I use this unrealistic image of submarine train under the ocean. This is another option of train in the ocean. Maybe it will look something like that, or even like that. Overall, I think that the content AI tools are great tools for us as affiliate marketers, but we need to use the tools in the right way. The tools can assist us to write articles very fast and easy, but we need to go over the articles and check that the information is right. It's not an automatic tool. It's like a semi-automatic. And also, if we use SEO, we need to follow the information from Google and check that our articles is not against the guidelines. That's all for today's video. Thanks.